Pastor Osita, and Okuma, who goes in and out of it. And I hope one of you, one seven. Okay, I did it, man. Yeah.
Ijele agwomeke na amara mmanwụ amara na nnekwu ọlụ dị n'isi ijele odogwu na-ekene m ga-ekene atụ gene ngene kuru enwe na-eji ya ekene emere ijele odogwu
It's Gazi Craft Productions.
Anejeka matanda kwashiri ikenu Anejeka matanda kwashiri ikenu Obowedene na nkota mpụtara atamu Uleche bakhe Iwache datara ileye Ikushikwe n'ọnwa n'ọgakwata kwa yoso Na mbọ ito ino ise asa Anejeka matanda kwashiri ikenu Onye ọdụgọdụ ọfụta oweru ma pancha Anejeka matanda kwashiri ikenu Evu nke meje nke ya na anyị ji ọnụ Anejeka matanda kwashiri ikenu Obere abịaga na n'ebe a bụrụ obodo anyị Anejeka matanda kwashiri ikenu
What is your favorite part of Igbo Fest? Just tell me what's your favorite part of Igbo Fest.
What's my favorite Igbo Fest?
What is your favorite part of Igbo Fest?
Auntie Christie's Winners Concession.
Good. It's a video. I still have your video. It's in the queue. What do you like about Igbo Fest? What do you like? Pictures? The masquerades chase you guys got away?
Yeah, when the masquerades are coming and they just go like this.
I saw you guys running.
Or like how they go there and you're like recording it. Meeting your friends and like talking to them.
Did you guys dance or something with your matching? Oh, okay, but just okay, no, that's part of the game too. So, all right, thank you. Okay, bye.
Nete monye kakwa fijele Totolo mfuta Afwego weka kwa njele Haberu mavyane nuwa urokwe baby Uye ura mariwe nadia Uwa wana burona de Nambo ito ino isi asa Obowedene na nkota mputara tamu Uleche bakhe Iwache gatari ileye Ushikwe n'ọnwa n'ọgakwata kwa yoso Nambo ito ino isi asa Anejeka matanda kwashiri ikenu Onye ọdụgọdụ ọfụta oweru ma pancha Anejeka matanda kwashiri ikenu Ovu nke meje nke ya na anyị ji ọnụ Anejeka matanda kwashiri ikenu Obere abịaga na n'ebe a bụrụ obodo anyị Anejeka matanda kwashiri ikenu Ashiri gịnị Papa itere Ashiri gịnị Papa itere Anejeka matanda kwashiri ikenu Anejeka matanda kwashiri ikenu
two NBA MVPs. One by Nikola Jokic of the Denver Nuggets.
Okay, what's your favorite part of Igbo Fest?
My favorite part about Igbo Fest is the people, all of my cousins, I never see them, but I'm here with love. You know what I mean? So it's just amazing. You look so amazing.
Thank you, so do you, so do you.
Okay.
Looking good, looking good.
My mom was like, all those tattoos. I'm like,
Listen, I have one too. My mom almost killed me.
no,
but
my mom, I'm like,
listen,
see them, I see all tattoos.
listen. What's your favorite part about Igbo Fest?
The war dance. But yes, no, not just that. I love the culture. I love coming back and seeing family that I haven't seen in a while. I love the food, the entire atmosphere. I've been here since I was a baby. But yes, so I hope that it goes on for another 20 years and another 20 years after that. And I'm really grateful to be a part of it.
What's good? Hey, Igbo Fest is what's up. Let's go. Igbo 2022.
Yeah.
What's your favorite part about Igbo Fest?
My favorite part about Igbo Fest is seeing all the fashions. You know, people come dressed to the nines, dressed to impress.
You're looking good. You're looking good too. You know, you join them. You join them to do okay.
You know, I tried.
Yeah.
So I think seeing all the looks and how they all come together, that would be my favorite part.
Okay, thank you. What's your favorite part of Igbo Fest?
I like I just like the people, you know, everyone's together. Get to see a lot of old faces.
That's what I'm saying.
Culture, you know, gotta exhibit that Igbo culture.
Yeah.
You know, connecting with my people again. Just see the people, you know, come home, reconnect with home.
You have to home. Thank you. Okay, what's your favorite part about Igbo Fest?
Being with people.
Oh, you gotta say it again. That's scream.
Huh? Oh, being with people.
Oh, okay.
Ojo pa di jai ka. Ayo habu tume je meru sale. Georgia Gajuku. Where do you Rajuku? Walk around Najinaka. What are Romaro? Najinaka, you love her. Yabra, no more than trouble. I only talk to her.
Well done, well done. Well, I don't know.
She's learning that money. Get back to dad now. Once she was over there, she had no idea what she was like. Take me back to get
I wanted to get Uncle Austin, but I think he left.
Kitty, did you bring him back? I didn't know I didn't have a pet. You never had one?
No, actually, she has a different fun.
Yes, that is true. She has a different fun. And I only have two. No,
No, I'm saying because you know how I saw your wife the first time?
Yeah, because he's better. He's better.
I'm trying to do like one take, how they have like one long shots in films and such, and the camera pans. I'm trying to get a nice one of those, but
And Price said he doesn't remember me. He's like, I don't know who you are.
There's nothing like fresh.
No, he said. I guess he did.
you taking a picture of us?
Yes.
Oh, feel that.
Yeah, you give my work, I work at your daughter, I no take it. Oh, you know, man. Yeah, go to your life. Where is that? I go job at a